Hi everyone in cyber chemistry. This is just a quick video to go over question numbers 6 through 10 from the metric conversions homework. Again, if you have any questions after watching this video, please make sure to stop by during office hours, which you could see posted on Schoology. All right, in this video, what we sought to do was to answer the 5 questions that we had for homework. And what we're going to do here is just a quick reminder of all of the different prefixes. So remember, in that base unit box, we have gram, liter, and meter. And then the larger units are deca, hecto, and kilo. And our smaller units toward the right side are deci, centi, deci is 1/10, centi is 1/100th, and milli is 1/1000th. So it's really important that you recognize which units are larger and smaller because it's going to factor into how we set up our equations. So let's take a look at some of our problems here. Okay, when we worked on this in our original presentation, I did write down a quick couple of points, so I want to just jot those down again. So the first one was, remember larger prefix or the larger unit should have a 1 in front of it. And then the other point of this is I want you to just remember the quick base units here. So we have deci, centi, milli on the smaller end, and on the larger end we have deca, hecto, and kilo. So in our first example, question number 6, we have 6,439 centiliters, and we're trying to go to kiloliters. So 6,439 centiliters. We're going to kiloliters. So take a look. Centi is down here. Kilo is way over here. So kilo is the larger unit. Kilo is going to get a 1. Centi is, notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots away. So we have a number that has 5 zeros. So in this case, 100,000. We're going to take the number 6,439. We're going to divide that by 100,000 because if the number is on the bottom, you divide by it. The number is on top, you would multiply it. So our number is on the bottom, so we're going to divide by that. And we're going to get an answer of 0.06439 kiloliters, because centiliters, the unit, will drop out. Okay, let's take a look at our second problem. We have 16.92 hectoliters, and we're going to milliliters. So 16.92 hectoliters. It's the unit I want to get rid of, so whatever unit's here should come down here. I'm going to milliliters, which is on top. Here's hecto, here's milli. So hectoliters is the larger unit, so that's going to get a 1. Milliliters is what we want to go to, so we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So a 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, or 100,000. The unit of hectoliters will drop out. So we have 16.92 times 100,000. That's 1,692,000 milliliters. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8, we have 10.5 grams. 10.5 grams. We're going to kilograms. So the unit that we want to get rid of, grams, is going to go on the bottom. Kilograms is going to go on top. Remember that our base unit is grams if we're talking about mass, liters, or meters. So if we're working with 10.5 grams, that means we're starting here at the base unit and we're going to kilograms, which is to the left. Kilograms is the larger unit. So that's going to get the 1. Grams is 1, 2, 3 spots away. So 1 with 3 zeros after it. In this case, 10.5 divided by 1,000, because if the number is on the bottom, you're going to divide. So 10.5 divided by 1,000, so we get 0.0105 kilograms. Those grams will cancel out. In question number 9, we have 1.57 kilometers. We have decameters on top. Here's kilometers over here. Here is decameters, so kilometers is the larger unit. That gets the 1. When we're going from kilometers to decameters, we move 1, 2 spots. So we're going to use the number 100, a 1 with 2 zeros. So 1.57 times 100. So that ends up being 157 decameters. And then finally, our last problem, we have 3.54 millimeters. I'm going to put millimeters at the bottom. We're going to the unit of kilometers, so km. So if we look at our chart here, millis way down here, kilometers all the way over here. This side is larger, so kilometers is going to get the 1. Going from millimeters to kilometers, I move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. So I need a 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So there are 1 million millimeters in 1 kilometer. Next, so I have 3.54. We're going to divide by 1 million. So I wind up with an answer of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 3, 5, 4 kilometers. Okay, so that wraps it up for the review of the metric conversion homework. Again, if you have any questions on this, please make an effort to stop by my office hours later this week. You can find those office hours on Schoology. Thanks very much, everyone.